Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix we don't recognize your device on Facebook. How can we log into our account successfully? So let's get started our video. So basically this is the main problem. You have to take a screenshot of this problem here. Now you have to open your Gmail in your Android or iPhone, whatever you use. You have to just open Gmail and then click on the plus icon here and give here the address as support@facebook.com. Okay, you have to do exactly the same. Okay, now you have to put here the subject that don't recognize your device on Facebook. Now you have to compose a valid email for your problem. As I have already composed, so I just copy it from my notepad. Okay, then copy and then go on to the Gmail and paste here. You have to compose exactly the same mail. I will give these words in my description so you can copy it from there. So you have to put here the valid details about your old phone and your new phone, like your old phone number, AMI number, SIM company, loss numbers, owner's name, and all other details here. After that you have to just click on the attachment option here and then click attach file and click on the screenshot of that problem that we have already taken. Now you have to just click on the send option here. So guys, within 48 hours your problem will be resolved. So guys, if you have any question you can leave a comment below. We will help you. So leave a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. Thanks for watching.